So we are making oxtail, guys, and this is our oxtail. It's been cooked, very well cooked, very well cooked, guys. Can you see? I'm going to add my blended tomatoes, tatashe and carrots, ginger, garlic, onion. I'm going to show you how I want to get this done. So this is oxtail. For those who don't know what oxtail is, this is what oxtail looks like. Yeah, we are eating this oxtail with beans. Yeah, we are using black eyed peas. That's our din. Excuse me, guys. If you hear any noise, please just bear with me. I'm going to post this video just like this. So you can see oxtail has its own oil. I didn't add no oil, and I'm making oilless oxtail carrot stew. Yes, that's what we are doing. Oilless cowtail carrot stew. Okay, that's what we are doing today. So I went ahead to boil my oxtail protein with a lot of onion. I blended a lot of onion, ginger, garlic, turmeric, because I love turmeric in my oxtail. So you can skip whatever you do not want in your oxtail recipe. I haven't shown you guys this before, so I decided to just take you along this dinner. This is something I do for my husband. It's a very special meal, and I decided to carry you guys along. I've gone ahead to cook my oxtail. Cook your oxtail until it is very tender, and that is what we did. So I'm not going to add no oil, no olive oil, no nothing. I seasoned with paprika. I seasoned with bell pepper also. As you can see, you will see some little bits of bell peppers. I added just 3 scotch bonnets, 1 bell pepper, ginger, garlic. I added some bay leaf. I added cumin. I added what's that again? Garlic powder. And yeah, I added a little bit of my mix seasoning. You can add whatever seasoning of your choice. Okay, so here I've gone ahead to blend my carrots, tomatoes, what's that called again? Some of my turmeric. I added ginger, added garlic, tomatoes, carrots. Yeah, guys, let's add it in. This is how we are making this. It's oilless but very healthy. Look at the oil in that. Look at the oil from the oxtail. That will cook it. I mean, this is the best way you can go about this recipe. Our meat is nicely cooked, so we are not going to waste time. I'm going to leave this on high so my vegetables can stay crunchy, because I'm going to add my carrots that I diced, my onion that I diced, and my bell pepper that I diced. So the juice is going to be what we are going to use to enjoy this deliciousness. It is so good. As you can see, our meat is pulling out already. So this is not a recipe to waste time, like I said. Okay, we're going to just allow this to simmer, and then we go ahead and add our carrot. Let's allow it to simmer for just about 60 seconds. Yeah, this is a fresh meal. You want to eat it as fresh and delicious as it is. Yeah, I'm trying to be careful because of my, what is that called again, my storage. So I just want to post this video just like that. So guys, I think I'll just hold on until it comes to a boil. Yeah, I don't want you to miss this recipe, so I'm going to be right here. We'll allow it to cook. Usually I would have covered it up, but I think I'll cover it up. Guys, I'll just let it come to a boil. Yeah, this is my onion, my green bell peppers, red bell peppers, and carrots. Everything is going into this deliciousness, and this is how we are going to be enjoying it. Yeah, I think I need some Maggi here, guys. Yeah, let me add a little bit. Actually, I don't want to add any more seasoning. No, I'm just going to add very little, very, very tiny bits Maggi. Trust me. Guys, I didn't want to waste your time. So I'm going to add just a little pinch of Maggi. Mix everything in. How is it looking already? Did you try this recipe? This is a very good, very, very good recipe, guys. Yeah. I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna go in with this. This is not gonna waste time. So this is it, guys. Sorry about the noise. It is what it is. You guys know I'm not in my space right now. When I'm in my space, everything is going to be fine. So just bear with me. Whichever way you see this video, just manage it. But this is it. I just want to share this recipe with you. This is something you can try, and I'm sure you're going to be thankful. It's a very healthy recipe. Very healthy, very delicious. I hope you try this. It tastes fantabulous. You can even add some honey beans. You can use honey beans for this recipe. Look at that. You can even use butter beans. Yeah, you can add your butter beans inside. But we are going to be eating with this beans. Black eyed peas rather. Thank you, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. All right, see you in another episode. God bless you all. Ciao. Yeah, our meal is ready, guys. Which is to be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Ciao, ciao.